Hello friends, today we will discuss class 11th AMU Commerce 2026 question paper. So let's get started. So first question is the product of three consecutive positive integer is divisible by B6. Second, the largest number that divides 3, 9, 8, 4, 3, 6 and 5, 4, 2 leaving remainders 7, 11 and 15 respectively is B17. Third, if p greater than 5 is a prime number then p square plus 2 is always divisible by D3. Fourth, for what values of k does the pair of equation 5x plus 2y equals to 2k, 2k plus 1x plus ky equals to 3k plus 4 have an infinite number of solutions? C4. Fifth, if x plus 1 is a factor of x square plus ax plus c and x square minus 7x plus b, then the sum of value of a and b is c minus 1. If x 1 upon x minus 1, 1 upon x plus 2 and 1 upon x plus 5 are in AP, then x equals to C2. 7. The values of P and Q for which the following system of equation has infinite number of solutions are C5, 1. The solution of system of equations Bx plus A minus Ay upon B plus A plus B equals to 0 and Bx minus Ay plus 2AB equals to 0 is Ax equals to minus A, y equals to B. Ninth, if alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial fx equals to x square plus bx plus c, then the value of B. 10th, if the ratio of the 11th term of an AP to its 11th term of an AP to its 18th term is 2:3, then the ratio of the sum of first 5 terms to the sum of its first 10 term is B 6:17. 11th, if the points A and B, A1, B1 and A minus A1, B minus B1 are collinear, then if the following is true: B, A, B1 equals to A1, B. 12th, the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle exceeds the length of the base by 2 cm and exceeds twice the length of the altitude by 1 cm, then base and altitude are respectively B 15 cm, 8 cm. 13. PQ is a chord of length 8 cm of a circle of radius 5 cm. The tangents at P and Q intersect at a point T, then the length TP is C 20 by 3 cm. 14. If alpha and beta are positive acute angles and sine 4 alpha minus beta equals to 1 and cos 2 alpha plus beta equals to 1 by 2, then sine alpha plus 2 beta is equals to B 1 upon root 2. 15. If 3 sine theta plus 5 cos theta equals to 5, then the value of 5 sine theta minus 3 cos theta is B plus minus 3. 16. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equals to D 2. 17. A tree is cut partially and made to fall on ground. The tree, however, does not fall completely and is still attached to its cut part. The tree top touches the ground at a point 10 meter from the foot of the tree, making an angle of 30 degrees. The height of the tree is A 10 root 2 root 3 meter. 18. If the angles of elevation of the top of tower from three collinear points A, B, and C on a line leading to the tower are 30, 45, and 60 respectively, then the ratio AB ratio BC is C root 3 ratio 1. 19. Two pipes running together can fill a cistern in 1 upon 13 minutes. If one pipe takes 3 minutes more than other to fill, then the time in which faster pipe would fill the cistern be 5 minutes. 20. A bag contains 5 red balls and blue ball. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of red ball, then the number of blue balls in the bag are be 10. 21. The Nobel Peace Prize 2022 has been awarded to human rights advocate Alice Bialiatski. 22. Who was the first Indian to win an individual medal in Olympic game? K.D. Jadhav. 23. Which among the following was not the three principal elements of Buddhism? A. Nirvana. 24. For outstanding contribution to which one of the field is Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize given? C. Science. 25. Pakistan won the Cricket World Cup under the captaincy of D. Imran Khan. Choose the odd one out from the following. A. Sleep, snooze, failed. 27. Choose the correct meaning of the following proverb. Too old a bird to be caught with chaff. C. Too old to be duped. 28. Which one of the following is not used to express comparison and contrast? C. Most of the time. 29. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate preposition. I have dialed the number so many times I knew it dash hurt by. 30. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate option. The dress is nearly C. Worn out. 31. Epithet Lake Baksh was associated with C. Kutubuddin Aibak. 32. Nizamuddin Aulia was the disciple of B. Farid Uddin Ganj I Shakar. 33. Khazainul Futub was authored by C. Amir Khusro. 34. Tughlaqnama was authored by A. Amir Khusro. 35. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was appointed as Munshif at Mainpuri in B. 1841. 36. Gol Gumbad is the mausoleum of C. Muhammad Adil Shah. 37. Jama Masjid of Agra was constructed by C. Jahan Ara. 38. Babur was the founder of the Mughal Empire, died in the year B. 1530. 39. Mother of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was D. Azizun Nisha Begum. 40. First patron of the Sir Syed Ghazipur School was D. Raja Hardev Narayan. 41. Which of the following is not a merit of democracy? A. It takes less time for arriving at a decision. 42. Which party system can lead to political stability and democracy? C. Dominant party system. 43. Who called Indian federalism as cooperating federalism? Option A. Maurice Jones. 44. Which of the following is a demerit of power sharing mechanism in democracy? C. It is an expensive government requiring high budget as many people are involved to govern different spheres. 45. Who defined democracy as government of the people, by the people, and for the people? A. Abraham Lincoln. 46. Which of the following is not a national political party in India? The National Conference. Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by C. President of India. 48. Which of the following is not a silent feature of the Indian Constitution? C. Presidential form of government. 49. Which article of Indian Constitution gives the legislative power to promulgate ordinances to the President of India? C. 1, 2, 3. 50. The judges of Supreme Court are appointed by a President. 51. The main function of the Parliament is C. To make laws. 52. In which part of the Indian Constitution fundamental rights are provided? B. Part 3. 53. India has adopted B. Parliamentary democracy. 54. Method of proportional representation is followed in India in the election of D. President. 55. Greater danger to the unity and integrity of India is posed by A. Communalism. 56. Which of the following is fixed capital? C. Machinery. 57. Development of a country is generally determined by B. Per capita income, average literacy level, and health status of its people. 58. Which of the following is not a consumer right? C. Right to remuneration. 59. ISI mark is a certification mark related to B. Industrial products. 60. The components of food security are B. First, fourth, sixth. 61. The price at which the government purchases food grain per PDS is known as A. Minimum support price. 62. Service sector includes activities such as C. Transport, communication, banking, and insurance. 63. The function of Reserve Bank of India includes C. Both A and B. 64. The guarantee against which a borrower owns and uses an asset until the loan is paid is called C. Collateral. 65. Predecessor of WTO is a General Agreement on Trade and Tariff. 66. Globalization is a process of integration of countries through C. Foreign trade, MNCs, technology, foreign investment. 67. Which of the following is a non-economic activity? Production for self-consumption. 68. How Japan become a developed country? A. By investing in education and health. 69. NFWP stands for a National Food for Work Program. 70. Which of the following is not the cause of poverty in India? D. Targeted anti-poverty programs. 71. Who wrote the book The Spirit of the Laws? B. Montesquieu. 72. During the 1905 revolution in Russia, the Tsar allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament known as the Duma. 73. After the World War I, the war guilt clause held which country responsible for the war and damages the allied country suffered? C. Germany. 74. On 3 March 1933, which act established dictatorship in Germany? A. Enabling Act. 75. The Civil Code of 1804 that did away with all privileges based on birth established equality before the law and secured the right to property is usually known as the Napoleonic Code. 76. What was the cause of the Sicilian Weavers' uprising of 4 June 1848? C. Reduced payment. 77. Bismarck's name is associated with which historical event? A. German unification. 78. The Balkans, a region comprising of modern-day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, etc., was under the control of A. Ottoman Empire. 79. The Mahatma Gandhi declared that British rule was established in India with the cooperation of Indian in his book B. Hind Swaraj. 80. What is the right sequence of the following events? B. 4th, 3rd, 1st, 2nd. 81. In October 1920, Oath Kisan Sabha was set up to understand and resolve the grievances of a peasant. It was headed by B. Jawaharlal Nehru. 82. Who announced in October 1999 a vague offer of dominant status for India in an unspecified future? B. Lord Irwin. 83. Revolution is the inalienable right of mankind. Freedom is the imprescriptible birth right of all. Are the words of which national leader? A. Bhagat Singh. 84. The Congress Working Committee on 14 July 1942 passed the historic Quit India resolution demanding immediate transfer of power to Indians by British and quit India in its meeting in C. Wardha. 85. In the year 1930, who, as president of the Muslim League, reiterated the importance of separate electorates for the Muslim League? Sir Muhammad Iqbal. 86. About 63% of India's petroleum production is from C. Mumbai High. 87. The total area of India consisting plateau is C. 27%. 88. Which region covers maximum concentration of black soil in India? C. Deccan Plateau. 89. Chipko movement was associated with B. Deforestation. 90. Which one is the largest peninsular river basin of India? D. The Godavari Basin. 91. The number of females per thousand males in the population is known as D. Sex ratio. 92. Most of the jute mills of India are located along the Hooghly River. 93. Which of the following species is critically endangered species? Asiatic cheetah. 94. The species of pine and deodar are mainly found in sea montane forest. 95. Which of the following states of India is the largest producer of rubber? B. Kerala. 96. National Waterways 1 and W1 connects A. Haldia to Prayagraj. 97. On the bank of which river Hirakud Dam is constructed? D. Mahanadi. Which one of the following causes rainfall during winters in northwest part of India? C. Western disturbances. 99. Which of the following is not non-conventional source of energy? B. Thermal. 100. Choose the right answer from the alternative given below. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. B. Odisha.